So if you were to go around over here on the workspace right here, then you can see that I have a bunch of files that I've worked with, and they are being shown in thumbnail view right now. So what you can do is you can go around and change the way how you view these files as well. So right now they are in thumbnail view. And what you can do is you can see that over here on the top right hand side it says grid now, which shows everything as thumbnails. And what you can also do is you can go around and show them out as list right here, and this is what you have. And everything is being shown in categories. Like you can see that it says project right here, exported videos, materials. These are categories right here. What you can also do is you can click around over here and click on none, and once you do that you can see that the categories have been removed right here, just like this. So there is no more categories being displayed out right there, just like that. So there's the category and grid right here that you can work with. So even in grid there won't be any category now. That is because we disabled out the category over here. So let's just go to category, and this is what you have, as you can see. If I were to go around over here on the top, you can see that it says so by created. That means the one that is created latest is shown at the top right here. It says 3 minutes, as you can see. But if I were to go around and click on earliest, then what happens is that the one created earliest, that is the oldest file, shows on the beginning. What you can also do is you can go around onto modified. So right now everything is being arranged out by created. That means whatever file I have created at first shows up. But if I were to click on modified, then whatever I modified out the first shows up right here, and whatever I modified out the last shows up right here, just like this, as I change around how the files are arranged. So that is what you can do with the project exported videos and material section over here as well. So you can go around and change around the file view options and determine how they are arranged while you view them over here. So that is how you can work around with CapCut file view options in Workspace. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.